Hey guys, today I'm playing Plug and Play. Now, most of you would know what Plug and Play is, but so yes, don't want to. Okay, but this is a weird game. This weird. Exactly my point. But yes, so sometimes I may not talk in this video because it's just weird. But yeah. Come on, go help your friend, you lazy mate. No. Right then, go away. Like. Sorry guys, oh no, this part. Now, I have seen people play this on YouTube, like Jacksepticeye, and Markiplier. But guys, I might be trying to record maybe some more, like, I might try and record some more Five Nights at Freddy's videos. I'll do number 3 next. Wait, what am I up to? Yeah, number 3, and I'll also be doing number 1 again. I'll be doing part 2 of number 1, and I will also be doing okay then. I will also be doing. Oh, what was I saying? Five Nights at Freddy's Part 2. I'll be doing Five Nights at Freddy's 2 Part 2. I will be doing Five Nights at Freddy's 3 Part 1 and 2, and I'll make a Five Nights at Freddy's series. All right, guys. So, all right. So yeah. So that's what I will. Why? Jeez. Why would someone put that in a game? Seriously. I don't get why someone would put that in a game.
Hello.
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 Do you know me?
I know you.
I don't know you.
I know.
You do?
I do.
You don't.
Yes.
Yes.
No.
Alright then,
I love you.
I don't think I love you.
I love you.
I think you don't love me.
I know I love you.
I'm not sure.
I do love you.
I don't.
It hurts.
I'm leaving.
oh, now the person's so sad. Aw, poor buildings. Oh yeah, seizure warning. Flashing warning. Sorry guys. Dun 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 dun. Aww. Yes! I actually did that. Now guys, I will be trying to record some Just Cause 2 videos, as well, so... And I might even try to do some, like, this is a long shot, but... Well, not a long shot, weird for my channel. I might actually try and do some skateboarding videos. Because I am a skateboarder myself, and, so I might try and do some skateboarding videos. If you guys want to see some skateboarding videos, then, like, leave a comment below. And, yeah, leave a comment below. And, if you want me to do skateboarding videos, then leave a comment. I've already said it. Then click like on this video and leave a comment below saying if you want me to do a skateboarding video. Like, not a game skate, like... Actually, I have Skate 3 as well. If you want me to do like a real life skateboarding video, then leave that in the comments. And if you want me to play Skate 3, then leave that in the comments. So, yeah. Okay then, so yeah, if you want me to do some skateboarding videos, which some of you, I don't know if you would want me to do some skateboarding videos, but yeah, some of you out there are skateboarders. I need a drink, sorry, but yeah. Sorry. So... It's gonna happen if I press that button. Oh my god. That's the end. Okay guys, if you like this video, well, I'm gonna leave this video here. If you liked it, please click that like button and leave a comment down below if you want me to do the skateboarding, a real life skateboarding video, or should I play Skate 3, or I could do both. And please comment and maybe leave a comment down below what game you want me to play. Okay. Ice Cube out.